About your desires, you know how they evolve, or desire is you keep it evolving. For me, I want to come across more money, so I'm like, what's the science to see more money? And I'm just getting numbers and numbers and numbers, but I don't move forward from seeing more science than just numbers.
Well, don't try to push it. Here's the way it works. And this is a big question that people ask all the time. Abraham, sometimes you say, think about what I want and talk about what I want and write down what I want and be specific about what I want. And sometimes you say, just chill and be easy and quiet your mind and meditate. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to think about the money I want, or am I not supposed to think about the money I want? And we say, when you think about the money you want, if it makes you nervous, then don't think about it. But when you think about the money you want and it makes you excited, then think more about it. So it's knowing where you are, knowing whether you're leaning toward the influence of more money or away from the influence of more money before you turn on the gas. So lots of ideas will begin to occur to you. And you know, these are some things we know about you, all of them good. You're really stubborn. You want to do it yourself. You want to do it yourself because you feel like you want to earn it. You don't want to take something for nothing. You never would ever take advantage of anyone for any reason. You want to be true blue through and through. Your mother's like that too. So what that means is you work harder than you need to on things because you build up this wall that then you have to climb over. And what we want you to understand is that it is flowing to you and you deserve it. This is a thing that we know. You know how there's things you know that your mother can't hear? This is what we know that you can't hear. You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it.
I do deserve it.
But not only do you deserve this fantastic manifestation, you deserve the thrill and the joy of creating it into place through the power of your mind. The reason that you don't want to just take something without feeling like you've earned it, we are so happy to say this to you. We've not said this to anyone ever before, but this is the piece that's been missing for so many for so long. The reason that you won't just let it come easily in this attitude that you feel like you need to earn it, there's a little misguided understanding in that, because what you really mean is you want to enjoy and savor the unfolding of it, and you don't want it to happen all at once. Did you hear that? So wanting to savor the unfolding of it so that you're in on every little bit of it as it unfolds, which is what creators want to do. Can you imagine a creator just going to a store and buying a piece of art and saying, I'll just claim that? No, they want to get their stuff out and they want to do it themselves. They want to paint because they want the thrill of the evolution, of the expansion, of the creation. That's what's going on with you. It isn't that you don't think that you deserve it, that you won't just let somebody give something to you. It's that you want the thrill of being able to encourage it along through the power of your powerful mind. Yes, you do. You understood that completely.
I really did.
Something else?
And that's it. Thank you.